Took out the bees. Put the treatment in last week for the mites, and we fed them. Fed them syrup and also pollen patties. There's syrup here. Look at a lot of them dead there on the ground, eh?
Oh, wow.
Okay, let's get this going here.
Is that because of the changeover?
I think so, and because of the medicine. They said that some would die. So let's see. Lots of bees. They're eating excellent. Look at the board there.
I can't with you on the way there.
Everything's good though. Yeah, they look good. It's completely full of
Wow,
bees.
they're all eating that stuff.
They're all eating the patties, the pollen patties. So
Wow.
everything's good. We don't need to do nothing. We're good. Everything looks good. It's completely jammed the bees in here, man. Look at it in there. It's completely packed, Teresa. It's completely packed.
They're so calm.
Yeah.
The queen is.
Move back a little bit, please.
The queen is not here. Where's she?
Oh, hard to see. I don't want to because I'm gonna wreck the patties now. They're good. No, we don't need to touch them. They're good. The winter's coming. They're eating. I'll just break the bottom one. Let's just break the bottom one. See how they are.
They're not even flying wild today.
Yeah, the weather's kind of.
Yes.
See how the medicine is.
You didn't bring the piece for the mice to close it off?
I'll get it up. It's heavy. Oh yeah, looks good.
It's,
Wow. Thing is so heavy. We're good. Put everything back.
well, so for all those bees, those patties lasted almost a full week.
Well, they got lots of honey in there too. And don't forget, I gave them a pail of syrup, right? So they have syrup also. Everything looks good. We're good, so looks good. They're full. Both boxes were completely full.
You're not putting that piece there on the floor?
No, no, that's the extruder. I'm gonna take that back. This is good. I don't have to put the cover on now because it's not too warm anymore. So I'll let them get the heat. Let them get all winterized. Next week I'll open it, and I'm gonna take the break the bottom box there. Take the Formic Pro out. It'll be 14 days. And that's it, and they're done for the winter. Then all I gotta do is house it in with this little protector I'm gonna buy, windbreaker basically. And we should be good. And hopefully they survive the winter.
Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions or any comments, leave them below. See you next week. Bye.